Hi, I'm Danica Moch and I work in corporate communications at TUI. I'm passionate about creating stories that really stick with people, from short videos to content for our office screens that make everyday updates feel engaging and relevant. Our screens are an always-on channel in common areas, from quick news flashes and cultural updates to calls to action. And they perfectly complement our other channels, such as the intranet, social media and email. Typically, we show a mix of company news, quizzes, inspirational visuals, leadership updates and new campaigns, always in both English and German. Our employee engagement is strong. People love seeing themselves or their teams featured. It's become a shared communication space rather than a one-way channel. The screens are perfect for quick awareness, catching attention in high-traffic areas, and then linking people to more information via QR codes on the intranet or email. We've even added extra screens in our restaurants, so messages reach people throughout the day. Updating content takes minutes, and I can rely on it to keep everything consistent with our brand. It's also the fastest way to get timely messages out in shared spaces. And honestly, it also just makes our office feel more vibrant and welcoming. It is amazing how intuitive and simple Yodeck is. It quickly became part of our daily routine with the whole team.
Hi, my name is Kai Wolfram. I'm the Director IT Operations for TUI Hotels and Resorts, and I oversee the digital architecture of our properties and our destinations, also including digital signage. Digital signage plays a huge role for us. All our screens are organized in workspaces which mirror our different business units and our destinations. This gives us clear guidance, helps prevent mistakes, and makes onboarding super easy. Each regional hotel has its own workspace, and we assign user groups based on their roles, for example, headquarter admins or local editors. That allows the teams to manage their own content while we still maintain a global consistency. The headquarter sets the brand standard and safety standards, but our local teams can always add their own offers or event content. It's the best of both worlds, consistency where it matters, but flexibility where it's needed. Yodeck has had a big impact on us over the years. In our hotels, the screens guide promotions and help drive upsells. They really support smooth daily operations. It's incredibly simple to scale with Yodeck. Once a new site setup is ready, we just purchase the licenses and the local team can easily take the pre-configured Yodeck player and start it right up. The Yodeck platform is simple, scalable and really reliable. After managing hundreds of screens successfully, I can say it's the right platform for TUI and a global setup like ours.